Hey y'all! After a little over a year of careful thought, deliberation, and consultation with friends, family, subscribers, I have finally decided to go ahead and activate channel memberships. If you look down next to the subscribe button, you will see a join button. If you click that join button, you'll get a detailed list of the membership levels and the perks that are offered with those membership levels. What is a channel membership? Well, a channel membership is a recurring monthly subscription that gives you access to those perks that are available only to members. Now, whether you become a member or not, let me assure you now that nothing else on this channel is going to change. I will still put out the same content you've come to expect from my channel on the same schedule. I will also continue to hold weekly live Q&A sessions here on my channel every Sunday at noon Pacific and 3 p.m. Eastern. That will not change. Channel memberships just allow me to give you a little bit of a perk in exchange for your consideration on a recurring monthly basis. It is 100% voluntary and it can be canceled or changed at any time. Also, you are under absolutely no obligation to become a channel member. So, if you have any questions about channel memberships, click that join button right next to the subscribe button and you'll be given all the information on the perks involved at the two different membership levels and how channel memberships work. If you have any other questions, feel free to put them down in the comments section and I will either address them myself or link you to YouTube's documentation on how channel memberships work so you can check it out for yourself. So, again, I thank you for your consideration, and I'll see you this Sunday for the next live Q&A session, 3 p.m. Eastern, noon Pacific, right here on my YouTube channel. So for now, y'all take care.